Good morning. Me and Frankie are sharing a smoothie. We made it yesterday, so it's ready to go in the morning. It's got heaps of kale, heaps of zucchini. It's got blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, all frozen. Those are frozen berries, frozen kale, frozen zucchini. And what else has it got? It's got bananas, not frozen bananas, fresh bananas. And yeah, that's it. We drink it with a straw so that we drink it slow. And we take our time and enjoy ourselves. Do you like smoothies, Frank? Mm-hmm. Is it yummy? I'll try and remember to show you everything I eat today. So this is breakfast, and the company is the best part. I forgot to mention the chia seed. There's also chia seed in that smoothie. There you go. All right, snack time. I call these energy bars. There's sweet potato. I cooked them yesterday, and yeah, they're pretty simple. So I just broke it open because this one is the sort of white fleshed one. They got like a purplish skin. The skin on the, so that's the skin on the outside. When it's raw, it's sort of purplish and white in the middle. And then this other one, this is my favorite one. These are amazing. Look at that. That's the color of the middle, and then the outside is that sort of grayish color. But yeah, this is just delicious. They're both very good actually, but this is my favorite. So I'm gonna have a few of these now for my little snack time, and then I'll see you soon. All right, it's the Spud Fit Kids cooking show, complete with clean laundry in the background, ready to be folded.
Hello.
What are we doing, Teddy?
Today, we're making a big pot of frozen stuff with lentils.
Yeah, and there's the lentils. Can you tip them in, Frank?
Yeah.
Go yeah, we're watching. Go, tip it in. All the way.
All of it? Yeah. Good.
Good job, mate. Now, what do we do? What are you doing, Teddy? Put some stock in?
Next we have 1 spoonful of stock.
Yeah. Keep your hands out of there, Frank. There we go. And now the garlic.
Then 1 spoonful of garlic.
It's just a jar of already minced garlic. It's perfect. We've got a lot of garlic. That's okay. Tip it in. Do a big shake of the Italian spices.
Big
Italian
shake
spice
of
mix.
Italian.
Get your hand out of there, Frank. Heaps more, heaps more. Come on, keep shaking, 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 keep shaking. It's going all out everywhere. All right, there you go. That'll do.
There you go.
Frankie, can you tip this mushrooms? Already chopped the mushrooms in? All of them in.
Yeah, lots of mushrooms.
Yeah, tip it all in, mate. There you go. Good one.
But you
Teddy,
missed a bit. Missed a bit.
Teddy, you can tip. Yeah. Teddy, hey, focus. Over here, grab a can of tomato. This one. Crushed tomato.
1 can
Teddy
of tomato.
And Frank can tip in the kale, frozen kale. Put it in.
All of it?
All of it. Just tip it all in, and the other one as well. Whoa, we got splashed. Get the other one. Oh, we got splashed. You want me to tip the next one in?
Yeah.
Where are you going, Teddy?
Out of the way for this.
No, there you go. It didn't splash because I did it a bit more carefully than you did. Come on and get the other stuff. What have we got? Quick. What's that one? That's tricolour chopped capsicum, bell peppers.
Tricolour chopped capsicum.
Chopped capsicum.
Chopped capsicum.
Oh, I'm going to tip some onion in at the same time. Frozen chopped onion. Wow, look at all of that.
That looks like rainbow lollies.
Now I'll tip this one. It's riced carrot, cauliflower and broccoli.
Riced cauliflower and broccoli. Coming
Oh,
right
this is getting
up.
pretty full, isn't it? Now we've got...
You gotta be plum busted.
We've got sweet potato. Can you tip that in, Frank?
Sweet potato.
Frank, tip it in.
Tip it in, Frank.
Yep, tip it in. Tip it in, mate.
Good
Good
job.
one. And we've got pumpkin. Tip that one in, Teddy.
Pumpkin. Hello, pumpkins.
All right. There we go. That's pretty full now.
Yeah,
I was gonna.
we still have this.
I know. I was gonna put some zucchini in, but I don't think it's gonna fit.
No, we can do it.
I don't know, mate.
It's possible.
No, don't, because the lentils are going to expand when they're in there, so we don't want to fill it up too much. All right, so that's what we're having. We just basically decided to put everything we could get that's frozen and put it in a pot and see what happens. I don't know how this is going to work out. It's scary.
You can put
Stop
the
yelling, Teddy.
zucchini in if your pot's a bit bigger.
Yeah, but just don't yell, mate. People don't need to have their ears exploded. Well, Frank's trying to eat frozen pumpkin. Goes back in the pot. Perfect hygiene. All right, let's see what happens.
Right.
What did we do, Teddy?
We decided to take a risk, and now we're putting the zucchini in anyway, because the lentils are gonna expand. The pot is gonna get a bit bigger.
That's a very full pot. We've gone above the line that it says to fill it to. So don't try this at home, folks. All right.
Frankie, press the button, Frank.
There we go. Pressing the soup button on the Instant Pot. It tells us it's going to be 30 minutes. Well, it's got to heat up and then pressurize. So I don't know, maybe 40 minutes by the time it's done. Let's see what happens. Here it goes. I just absolutely love these black grapes at the moment. They're so delicious. So I'm having a bowl while we wait for the other food to cook.
Hello again. Here we're having the taste test. If it tastes good, try it.
What do you reckon, mate?
Mmm.
So what do you think of a pot of frozen stuff? Happy with it?
That's a name. It's the pot of frozen stuff, which is no longer frozen.
It's a name for a gourmet meal, isn't it?
Yeah.
I forgot to mention that in the excitement of making that Instant Pot meal, I actually forgot to add water to it to cook the dried lentils that were in there. So I had to run back and put it in. So yeah, add water to it as well. If you're following that recipe, then don't forget to add water like I did. And also, look at this. Heaps of leftovers. Those are 2 really big boxes. So I'm going to be eating leftovers for days. It's going to be great. Next morning now, I forgot to upload the rest of the video, so I just thought I'd say g'day. Yeah, it was good fun. That meal was really good, and I hope you cook some frozen foods and enjoy it. I'm going to have obviously that leftovers for breakfast in a second on quinoa. I'm going to serve it with quinoa. Oh, Frankie's got a bruise. Oh no, there you go. So there you go. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that kind of stuff, and ask questions, and let's see if we can make a video to help you spud up. And join us in the Facebook group. Search for the Spud Fit Challenge on the Facebook group. On the Facebook, group on Facebook. You know what I mean. Enjoy your day.